BMW. This is the car I was hit by the blue one. Same one. Look, real nice, don't it? Look at the interior on this car. I gotta show the interior of this car. Look at it, all red. This is beautiful. You see nice? Look at that. That is nice. Yes, it is. Beautiful car right here. Hard top. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. Look at these cars. Always getting lost.
The one to get is the Bolt, the Chevy.
The I-8. I don't even think they let you open this car up. That is a beautiful car. Look at that. It's the I-8.
No over?
Oh yeah, they ain't letting you get in that. That's a damn shame. That's a beautiful car though. They just won't let you have access to it. It's messed up, but it's okay. Where's my nephew? He kind of blending in with the rest of these people. If you see the complexion, he's blending in really, really good. Karan. Karan. Yo, wait a minute. You way down here. Slow down. We're going to stay together. It's too big in here. We're going to get lost.
Every car I try to get is in my ear.
I'm now. That's nice. Dang, that's incredible. Oh, look at this. This electric. Look at this. Yeah, this is nice. Look at this. This is a beautiful car. Big ass iPad. Who the fuck need an iPad to drive? Oh, that's tiny. You would be squeezing in there, but hey, it's a nice luxury car. Beautiful car. Volvo made a station. Volvo made a station wagon. I've never seen that. Never. It's like a Magnum. Oh, that is nice. That. Panoramic roof. Alright, come on, Ronnie. The Audis.
It's funny how they say you can ride and drive on the cars, but they got something called the pig.
You gotta go outside. The ride and drive is outside. You gotta have a license with a credit card and. Oh, okay. I see you, Ronnie. Profiling in the Audi. I see you. Alright. Come on, we're gonna walk around so we can get on out. Yeah. There go Cadillac. There go Cadillac. Wait, hold on. Oh, say, how you gonna have a Cadillac without an Escalade? Cadillac ain't a show without an Escalade. I'm sorry. Where's the Cadillac store at? I want to go buy something from Cadillac. No, that's an Escalade over there. Yeah, you see how they got that? They got a Cadillac one. I just don't know where. Yeah. They don't got none.
Because that information.
I know.
We might as well exit.
They normally have it though. They normally have it like out. Look at these cars. Beautiful. Big ass screen. You don't need to watch TV. Why would you need to watch TV to drive? The Escalade, of course. What could be better? But the Cadillac Escalade. What did it say? But nigga, this is sweet.
This is too nice to have kids in the car. Could you see pretzels and Cheerios?
This
Why
is
it still has
sweet.
milk?
This is all sweet. Yes, it is. Sweet and nothing. Look at that. That's soft. Karan, yo, come here, man. Gotta keep this guy with us. Alright, let's walk down there so we can.
See what's over there. Oh yeah, this is bigger than all the places that we go to sometimes.
Yeah, they only got like just a little bit of cars. Normally they be full. Like they ain't even take up the whole joint this time.